Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. This cake makes a wonderful summer dessert with a delicious sour cherry sauce on top. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Just a quick reminder before we start, I would be very happy if you could subscribe and click the bell icon if you haven't already done so. So, here we go. For the cake, beat 3 eggs with half a cup of granulated sugar until fluffy. Add half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix everything together. Line an oven tray with parchment paper. Place a springform cake pan on top of the parchment paper and pour the batter. Bake in an oven preheated to 180 degrees about 30 minutes. Get the baked cake out of the pan with the help of a knife. Place a serving plate upside down on top of the cake and carefully invert the cake onto the plate. Peel off the parchment paper on top of the cake. Place the springform pan again. Pour 200 ml of milk evenly over the cake and let it soak the milk while preparing the cream. Place a large bowl over a pot of hot water. Make sure the bowl doesn't touch the surface of the water at all. Chop up 160 grams of white chocolate into small pieces and place in the bowl. Remove from the heat when it's melted completely. In a mixing bowl, beat 400 ml of heavy cream with 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. Then add the melted and cooled white chocolate and keep on beating until thickens. Pour the cream over the cake and spread evenly. Cover the top with cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. For the sour cherry sauce, mix 2 tablespoons of starch with 60 ml of water and whisk to dissolve. Place 400 grams of sour cherries in a saucepan. I used the cherries that I freezed in a Ziploc bag. You can also do the same, it's very easy. Add 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, the starch that you dissolved, and 200 ml of water. Cook by whisking until boils and thickens. Sour cherry sauce is ready. Transfer it to a bowl so that it cools down faster. When it's cooled, cover the top of the cake with the sauce. Summer cake with sour cherry sauce is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! Leave a comment below and let us know the recipes you want us to share. Thanks for watching!